look of my car after I put on the sun film. It's kind of shiny. And from the rear it's completely clear, so that the cops won't stop you. But that's the look. So this is the difference between the white glass and this glass. So that's the look right now. It looks dope actually. As you can see, the rear is visible from the front. आप देख सकते हैं. और you can see inside out as well. It's not that black, but from far the look is really dope. So just check out the look from the top. Really looks amazing. I got this for 1500 rupees. So you can check out your nearest car decor. So thank you for watching the video. Do tune for more such stuff. Thank you.